Alright, y'all, we back at it. Drop this damn rear end out of here. Move, get back, go. Damn truck's so damn high. The bitch get shit out of it. Y'all see me trying to pull that razor in and out of here. Move, Ears. Go. 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 Move. Move. It falls on you. Go. Move, Ears. Move. This thing fall on you, it's gonna break one of your big old long legs. Move. Move. Move, Aries. Move. Let's get this sucker in position. Got here, y'all. So that's the one that's going in there. Nice and shiny. Sucker even got chrome caps on it. Only thing that sucks about this one, it's not posi, but it's gonna work, man. I don't even be doing no damn burnouts in that car anyway. That's what happened to it. That's why we're at this point. Messed up the 59 rear end. If y'all ain't familiar with the channel, go back, check out the video. Let's see where I broke that sucker. Alright, we'll be back.